Now it's time to practice with our commands de ustedes. First, look at the subject to see who you are addressing. Since it is profe, you know to use the usted form of the command. The verb corregir, or to correct, is positive in this example, so when we replace the direct object, the tests, or los exámenes, with los, we can attach it to the end of the verb. Flip the ending ir to ar, and the correct answer is corríjalos. The subject in this sentence is Senor Rodriguez, so we will again be using the usted form of the command. The verb to obey, or obedecer, is positive, and we can replace the indirect object me with me at the end of the verb. Flip the ending, and the correct answer is obedezcame. The subject of this command is ustedes, so don't forget to make it plural. Be careful with the verb to follow, or seguir, because remember that the yo form is sigo. The direct object, the rules, is feminine and plural, and we can attach it to the end of the verb since it is positive. Flip the ending, and the correct answer is sigamos. Doctor is a subject, so we can use the formal usted form. Be careful, give or dar is irregular for the usted form of the command. We have both indirect and direct objects, being the indirect object being may and the direct object being cough syrup. Remember, this is el jarabe. The indirect object always becomes before the direct object, so flip the ending, and the correct answer is démelo. The subject is ustedes, so don't forget to do the plural form. Notice that the verb to turn off, or apagar, is negative in this example, so before the command we need to add no plus the direct object lights or las luces. Apagar is a cargar-zar verb, so remember to change gar to gay. Flip the ending, and the correct answer is no las apagan. Usted is our subject. The verb being to bring is traer, so when we change it to the yo form, change the ending and add our direct and indirect objects, the correct answer is tragamelos. Notice the subject is ustedes. Perderse is a boot verb, and the change is e to ie. The verb to get lost, or perderse, in this case, is negative and reflexive. So we need to put no plus the correct reflexive pronoun at the beginning. Flip the ending, and the correct answer is no se pierdan. Señor is formal, so the verb form is usted. Mentir is a boot verb, so remember to change the e to ie. This is also a negative command, so remember to bring no plus the indirect object me to the front. Flip the ending, and the correct answer is no me mienta.